Hello friends, welcome to VDS Tech Labs. So this video is continuation of Python basic series. So in the previous video we have discussed how to install, download and install Python on Windows 10, and I have already added the video in which how to download and install PyCharm IDE on Windows 10 that I have already recorded. Okay, so in this video I'll show you how to run the basic program from Notepad, from ideally, that is default ID of Python, and the next one is PyCharm. So as and when requires we will discuss on different IDs. So let's start. So first of all we'll open the Notepad++. So this is the Notepad++. So here we have to write only basic one, print, print, and what? Welcome in Python world. Welcome in Python, WORLD. Welcome in Python world. Okay, so after that what we have to do, we have to save this one. So we have to save with the, this is the test1, test1 dot py extension. If we are running on the Notepad, then we have to save specifically with .py extension. Save this one and go to here and cmd, write cmd, so this will open. Okay, and after that what we have to do, we have to write python Python, test1 is the file, and if we execute, see, welcome in Python world. So this is the first and foremost basic way we can execute using Notepad. Okay, and another way, ideally, just write in the Windows search bar ideally, IDLE. This is the default ID of Python. So what we have to do, if we print here print, what we have to do, print welcome, welcome in Python world, python Python WORLD in Python world. Okay, and just hit enter. So see, it will print. But if we want to write the file, then what we will do, go to the edit or file, new file, ctrl plus n, or so go to the new file, see, and just write if 5 is greater than 3, then print print what? Print welcome, welcome. So what we have to do, we have to save this one. Save, where we have to save? On the desktop, on the demo folder only. Okay, and test3. So here we no need to mention the extension because it's already a Python file. So just and run. Either we have to run, press F5 or run module, click here. So see, welcome, it will do here. So this is the another way we can execute the Python program. Okay, now the next one will show you PyCharm. Okay, so these are the basic things only. So and see, if we 5 is greater than 7, then see what happens. If we save this one and run again, then what happens? See, nothing will be printed because, okay, so this is the simple English language only, nothing more than that. So this is the way we can execute on ideally Python default IDE, that is ideally. Okay, now let's go to the PyCharm. See, I have opened the PyCharm, and how we can create the project, just go to the file, new project, and here we have to write the project, first project, FIRST first, or we can say basic Python, BASIC basic, PYTHON basic Python, and hit on the click on the create button. Okay, so on the new window, I want to open in the new window. So it will create virtual environment and all these things it will do. Then see, it will take a few moments only. See, the project is created, and here what we will do, we'll create one package, Python package, and this is the basic module, only basic 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 module, MODULE basic module. Click enter, and now we'll write here one Python file program. So Python file is let's suppose we can say basic only, or first, FIRST first. So it will create. Now here we can write if 3 is greater than 2, 3 is greater than 2. Now we'll print print. What we will print? We'll print welcome, WELCOME, welcome. And now, okay, so save. After that, what we have to do? We have to run this program. Okay, first program. So see what happened. Welcome. Okay, or go to run and see Alt Shift F10, or we can right click here, run first. So there are various ways we can run. Either we can click here and then run, or there is a shortcut Alt Shift plus F10, or just we have to right click here and run first. It will run. Okay. So these are the basic ways we can start our program. So, and in the next video I'll show you about the indentation, because this is the basic things and very important as well. So we'll show you why we will create the this space only. So this is about the indentation. I'll show you in the next video in detailed manner. So far we have discussed how to run the program on Notepad and on Ideally, and next one I have shown you that how to run program on PyCharm. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. If you like, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.